If you guys missed out on the Pirate Blacks a few years back, then you're definitely going to need these. Let's take a closer look at the Yeezy 350 V2 Black. What's going on, guys? You're watching Sneaker News on YouTube, and today we're taking a closer look at the adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2 in black. We're actually going to be giving a pair away, so stay tuned for instructions. We're going to reveal that throughout the video, but before we get started on this review as well as the giveaway instructions, just do us a quick favor, hit the subscribe button. Like we said, we are giving away one pair. It's going to be either the adult, the kids, or the infant sizes. It really depends on the winner. So let's get right into it. This is known as just simply the black colorway. It doesn't really have a nickname just yet. The upper prime knit, not quite a tonal black. As you can see, there's two shades of black that kind of make up the pattern. One is a truer black and the other is more of a dark gray. And you can see closely that there's all these different patterns that make up the prime knit upper. Of course, you have the transparent mesh stripe that goes from toe to the heel. That's been a common theme for the 350 V2 lately. The laces are peppered with like a light gray sort of thread, but it's actually reflective laces. So if you miss out on the reflective versions, at least these will have reflective laces, and that's consistent with the kids pair as well as the infant pair. Turn it back around to the medial side. Again, you see much of that same. The patterns in the prime knit upper are much more apparent, again, based on the two different shades of black that they use. The full length Boost midsole with the signature extended ribs has that slight transparent opacity to it. You can see the Boost inside. And the fact that the white Boost beneath kind of discolors the midsole kind of adds to the whole look. Quick shot of the outsole again, the same Boost tread that you guys are pretty much familiar with. The white Boost that is revealed through those vents. One little detail that reminds us of the Pirate Blacks is this right here. It comes with the heel tab with this red stripe, so it's not a true all black shoe. The first Pirate Blacks had that same red stripe stitching right across that heel tab, and as you can see, it's consistent on the infant pair as well as the kids pairs. Again, just to show you a closer shot of, now this is the kids pair again, really much of the same. You know, you got that same reflective peppering in the laces, that same red stripe. The construction of the shoe is pretty consistent as well. And again, this one is $180. Right here, this is again, the infant version, pretty true to form. You got the red stitching here, you got the adidas Yeezy on the insole, again with the reflective laces. Now, we're gonna quickly reveal just how to win a pair. All you gotta do is, of course, number one, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Number two, like this video. And number three, in the comments, we need to know three things: your shoe size, where you're located, and your first ever Yeezy purchase. For example, size 10, USA, Turtle Dove 350 or something like that. So again, we wanna know your shoe size, where you're located, and of course, your first ever Yeezy purchase. Now let's talk a little bit more about Yeezy Resale. I think that's a topic that is almost constantly associated with Yeezy. The truth of the matter is they've been kind of pumping out the releases a lot more frequently than we're used to. Over the last 3 months alone, there's been almost a Yeezy release per week, and you know, it's a lot. You know, it's almost at a pace where Air Jordan Retros used to drop. Remember, Jordan Retros were available every Saturday, and they're kind of creeping up to that sort of release schedule. 350 V2s kind of have almost been stuck around the 350 to 500 mark, depending on the shoe, but simply because the all black shoe is like an everyday wear shoe, it's definitely gonna go for higher prices than what we've seen, only because it's such a wearable shoe, it's such a good looking shoe. And just based on how the first Pirate Blacks did, we anticipate these to perform a little bit better on the resale market. But of course, you gotta buy these to wear them. You know, it's such a clean shoe. If you're a Yeezy fan, these are definitely a must. They're bringing out the kid sizes for the first time. And if you remember, infant pairs of the Pirate Blacks, but you know, if your kid needs a little re-up, there you go. And you know, just looking forward into Yeezy releases throughout the rest of the summer. You know, June alone has so many releases, and we expect so much more throughout the remainder of the year. We project that Kanye and adidas are going to introduce some new models. You know, there's still that crazy looking 451 on the way. There's that Yeezy basketball shoe no one really knows what's happening with those, but you know, Kim Kardashian has been spotted wearing those recently as well. So that only tells us that, okay, maybe it's going to be coming out soon. And there's rumors of a Yeezy 350 V3, a 700 V3. You never really know, but what's comforting is that they're barely scratched that surface when it comes to footwear product lines. For now, June 7th, store list below, adults, kids, and infant sizes. Remember, we are giving away one pair. Leave us a comment below, shoe size, location, your first Yeezy purchase, and do not forget to subscribe and like this video. We'll catch you on the next one.